You have spent over half your life being the bigger person. And where exactly has that gotten you? Higher blood pressure, ruined sleep, and endless arguments with people who literally feed on your pain. Stop. The game is rigged. Right now, a narcissist is treating your emotional reactions like an all-you-can-eat buffet, but there is a psychological loophole that shuts them down instantly. No shouting, no crying, just brutal, stoic dominance. By the end of this video, you will possess the exact framework to make them terrified of you. But here's the trap 99% of people your age fall into. You are deeply loyal. You value logic and fairness. You think if you just explain yourself one more time, they will finally understand. They won't. They do not want resolution, they want a reaction. Every time you defend yourself, you hand them the remote control to your nervous system. You remember the bitter regret of losing your temper, yet you keep walking into their traps. The masses die exhausted, screaming into the void. The elite 1%, the true masters of Stoicism, do something terrifyingly different. They use weaponized silence. Silence is absolute power. A manipulator's oxygen is your anger. Give them logic, they twist it. Give them anger, they win. Give them a deadpan, unblinking stare, they starve. This is the absolute core of dark psychology manipulation reversal. You cut off the supply their fragile ego needs to survive. I must warn you, the next step goes against everything society taught you about politeness, and it might make you deeply uncomfortable. You must permanently surrender the need for an apology. Waiting for a toxic person to say "I'm sorry" is how you waste the best years of your life. When they launch a vicious verbal attack, your first move is never defense. It is cold, calculated observation. Look at them like a biologist studying a frantic, buzzing mosquito. Unclench your jaw. Relax your shoulders. Give them nothing. When they finish their unhinged rant, waiting eagerly for your explosive reaction, wait 3 full seconds. Make the heavy silence deafening. But what happens when they escalate? Because, believe me, their ego cannot handle the silence. When silence is not enough, initiate the agree and pivot protocol. It short-circuits their manipulation tactics instantly. When they scream, "You are so deeply selfish," do not defend your character. Look them dead in the eye. Calmly say, "You are absolutely entitled to your delusion," and confidently walk away. You are not agreeing with their insult. You are dismissing their existence. It communicates absolute superiority and impenetrable emotional control. But here's the most dangerous psychological mistake you can make right now. Never announce your strategy. Never say, "I am ignoring you." That is still a weak emotional reaction. True power moves silently in the shadows. The Stoic path requires immense discipline. Let them crash against your emotional fortress until they exhaust themselves. You spent decades giving away your power to emotional vampires. Today the buffet is closed. You hold the ultimate power. You just forgot how to use it. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you are ready to take your power back right now. Subscribe to master your mind, decode dark psychology, and conquer your reality.